AeronovaNews has completed the manufacturing of the envelope for the NOVA-2 airship on August 19, 2026. The final weld was completed at the company's own production facility. To achieve this, AeronovaNews established a new production line, prepared the site, assembled a team, and purchased and launched the necessary equipment, welding machines, and a cutting complex. All technological processes have been refined and tested. The result, a full-scale envelope with a volume of 2,000 cubic meters, a length of 43.2 meters, and a maximum diameter of 9.6 meters. The next stage is pressure testing. The envelope will be fully inflated with air for the first time to verify the manufacturing quality and its integrity. In parallel, the manufacturing of the gondola, tail assembly, avionics, and other systems continues. All components will be assembled at the company's production site in Kirjath. This is a significant step toward the first flight of the NOVA-2.